Hey there, wonderful parents. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of reading comprehension and help your kids become confident readers? Well, you're in the right place. Hey, I'm Angela from Custom Classroom by Angela, and I'm here to share some valuable insights that will empower you to unlock your child's reading potential. Reading comprehension is not just reading words on a page, it's about understanding, analyzing, and connecting with what we read. As a parent, we play a crucial role in nurturing these skills in our children. Imagine your child confidently tackling their school assignments, diving into new books with enthusiasm, and effortlessly making connections between texts and the world around them. Sounds fantastic, right? Well, with a little guidance and support, it's absolutely possible. But here's the thing, reading comprehension can sometimes be tricky for kids. They might struggle with word recognition, language recognition, or putting the pieces all together to get to the next level of critical thinking. As a parent, we often wonder, how can I help? That's where I come in. As an educator and reading test prep writer, I've developed a free 5-day comprehension crash course designed to equip you with tools and strategies you need to support your child's reading journey. Each day will tackle a different aspect of reading comprehension, from understanding the basics to mastering advanced strategies. And the best part, it's completely free. But here's the thing, I'm only scratching the surface here. If you want to dive deeper into these topics and discover even more tips and tricks to enhance your child's reading, then you'll definitely want to sign up for my free 5-day comprehension crash course. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to sign up and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity to unlock your child's reading potential. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you at our comprehension crash course. Until then, happy reading.